Reel that other one. Not very big. Fighter.
Yeah, he's here. No, he's here. I think. He's not fighting. Little guy. There we go. Little turd. So there's my first king of the day. Just a little guy, but he'll eat well. And always make sure to bleed the fish. They always tend to cut better that way. Let's get some more. Salmon fishing is a little slow, so we're gonna try and cook something up. Today's yummy treats include some homemade breakfast burritos. Slap these bad boys on there and let them warm up. Alrighty, we are done here.
You guys are having like a meal.
This one
Damn
for
right,
Rick. There's mine.
$10 a burrito.
There you go, Nate. Okay, who put the net in there? That thing is pranked.
That looks like a king bite, so
It looks like a king bite.
I thought we had a king for sure.
I couldn't feel it, and then I realized I could see it.
Hey, bring him up, Nate. Oh my gosh, you guys are like
I got him.
fucking a football. Yeah, we got these tangled. There can't be a fish out here. Oh, there is a fish on there.
Are you serious?
Here, get that fish out of there.
Oh, I can't. That's the issue.
I was like, oh, fish on there, because I felt fish.
Okay, got this one.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you serious? What just happened? Here, take your fish. Nate,
Take both.
he's still on. He's right here.
Back up, Michael.
Yep, I know. Ooh, hot little sockeye.
Yeah.
Ooh, he's a hot fish.
There, we got to come out of that.
Just stripped a ton of line. There we go. All right, so there's my little sockeye. Pretty decent sized one, actually. That is nuts.
We can see it, Rick.
Oh my gosh. All right, you ready, Dad? I mean, he followed it all the way up,
Go.
and I dropped it back down, and he smoked it. Oh my gosh. Hey, buddy, chill out. Oh my goodness. Come here there, buddy.
Here, move that rod. I'll just hold the rod with me, Mike.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Reel those rods in, Michael.
Nate, reel the rods in.
Reel those rods in. Jeez, we got a cluster. Jeez. Ready? Oh. He's gonna go in the motor.
Oh, did it get in there?
Nope. Come here, you little turd.
Oh my god.
Fuck, that's
Now
gonna,
we've got an hour's worth of shit.
that's gonna be a cluster.
I don't know why you guys brought me. Hand me the knife.
Well, that's why I called you. I was like, I need somebody.
We need a bitch on the boat.
I need somebody to tie taking the boys. They're worthless.
So we've got all the rods back in the water after that absolute mayhem. So essentially what happened is, as I was reeling up, a sockeye was following me, so I dropped my lure back down and he bit it. And then after, I couldn't get the sockeye out of the net, and Rick hooked up with one. So we just had to kind of continue and make it work, but we ended up getting both fish, which is pretty lucky. But today's just been absolute pandemonium. Oh, Jesus. Come here, Slimy. Gotcha.
Where do we need to go? The wind's gonna wrap
Oh, Jesus.
Break it? I know, but is somebody still in the water?
Yeah, I am. I'm snagged still. Get it, get it, get it. Yes.
Careful, steer.
Yep, I got it.
Yeah, he was just smoking it too.
I know. Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah. They fight.
I know, they fight good.
Get him?
So there's my dad's king, or sockeye. And there's our limit. Alright, so we're back at the hotel now. It was a pretty good day salmon fishing. We ended up limiting out with sockeye and only caught 2 kings, but had 4 bites. So we're gonna be going out tomorrow and Tuesday as well. So hopefully we can get some more fish. I will see you guys in the morning. Just put this one down, no action all morning. He cranked it. Oh, chill out, buddy, chill out. Come here. So there's my little slimy king. Not the biggest guy in the world, but he'll eat. Beautiful fish. There you go, Rick.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Soccer's gonna be tough to eat. Are yours good, Dave?
Oh yeah. So we're back down at Wells Dam. We're just putting in the boat right over there. Only ended up catching 1 Chinook over down at Chelan, but now we moved to Wells, so hopefully we can catch our limit of sockeye. And what it sounds like is that people are catching Chinook on sockeye gear, so this could be a little interesting, but hopefully we can catch our sockeye. All right, so Rick is hooked up with a king salmon on our sockeye gear. We heard it had been happening a lot today, so we figured it might happen to us. Hopefully we can get him. He's putting up a heck of a fight.
Way out there. Hey! Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Hey! God damn it. I knew that guy was too close. Is it still there? Here. Hold this. Hold it. I got it. Hold it up. Watch that gear up there in the front. Alright, Rick, see if can you pull that gear up? We're in your gear. Is it still free spooling? Yeah. Well, there's going to be so much line out here. Can you just cut it? Because it's all the way around us now. You're going to have to. I'm sorry. Sorry. It's just a big king. And we got it's on sockeye gear. Hey.
Oh my gosh, look at that fish. So the king we just landed was just barely skin hooked. At any time, that king could have turned his head and just pulled out. Just like that, and he's off. All right, so we got Rick's absolute monster fish. It's amazing how we even got it because it was stripping line into another guy's line. We got tangled up with braid and it was barely hooked. It's just beautiful fish. Oh no, I got someone's gear.
Whose gear you got?
That one.
Ah, come on.
I mean, really, it just... There was a hook around the ball, that's all it was.
No, he's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one. So I'm gonna bring him up, Nate. Nice sockeye. Oh, got him. The old bass gear. Man, just hot fish. Jeez. I don't know if it's just my bass gear, if this is... It almost looks like a little king to me.
Maybe crank the drag a little bit.
Oh.
You got 15 pounds on that thing.
All right.
It is a king.
Yeah.
I think you're right.
It is a little king. Yeah. Well, I can finally say I've caught a king on my bass
Well, I
gear.
wouldn't get too excited about that.
It's a king. I caught it on my bass
I
gear.
saw some.
All right, so I got myself a nice little king on my bass gear. It's not a big king by any means, but I'll definitely take it. So that is officially my limit for king salmon today. Oh, this is just funny. That rod hasn't had a fish on all day long, and we just switched lures,
Finally got.
and it got bit within 5 minutes.
Change out leader. Yeah, you get bit. Maybe I had the right smell.
So we're now off the water. We had a pretty good day. Ended up catching my limit of sockeye and my limit of salmon, so I ended up tagging out. But in general, as a group, we tagged out for sockeye. Overall, it was a good day. Super stoked that Rick over here, Big Rick, landed his monster salmon. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Good way to end the trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you guys next time.